Wild reversal day today. Momentum reversal was the trade of the day on ES and NASDAQ. There were some other strategies, some larger profits on the NASDAQ than the momentum reversal. These are the results on the day, up 11,507.50 hypothetical, near equity peaks. We did not trade it. Once again, it did not meet our criteria. It didn't quite come to our drawdown level. Came close, so we were close to getting in. Plus 34.52.25 on the micros, trading 3 micros. So it was one of those days where the market was down big pre-market. I'll show you the micro, or the let's look at the micro right here. Market CPI surprise to the downside, very bearish. Market open and just a big mean reversion trade. Seems like every time the market has a big sell-off, it comes right back and takes out the highs. So it always takes out the highs. It looks like it was going to try to roll over, but it's stuck. And so it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow if the market comes back here. Oftentimes when we see these back and forths, we'll see a big move down, a big move back, and then a big move down again. And so we anticipated this rally. I didn't think the market would pull back this much though. I thought we would rally, pull back a little bit, and then rally on CPI, but it pulled back much further than I anticipated. So it created a massive rally. I thought we would start from higher lows and rally to higher highs than we did here, because yesterday felt like the sellers were done, but that CPI during light volume caused a big sell-off that was mean reverted during the day. Advanced decline line also had a massive range today, 4,029. Last time it was here was January the 26th. On January the 26th, we saw an afternoon tick reading of minus 1,500. We saw that on Tuesday as well, and then yesterday we saw we saw that yesterday, and then Tuesday, actually it was on Tuesday, and so today, this morning, we saw minus 1,800 at the open, and so minus 1,500 on Tuesday in the afternoon, minus 1,800 at the open, and a big gap down. It was treated like an oversold market condition with a technical rally, with the advanced decline line going from the minus 2,000s to the plus 1,200 level, and the biggest range in the advanced decline line since January the 26th. And so disappointed that we didn't get in. We are continuing to try to sync up with this. We have this new portfolio. I'm going to go over the portfolio calculator and show you where we are. So this is through yesterday. Market environment has been challenging, and we still continue to see, even on the down day, the big trades are the long trades, and so it's difficult to get good short trades, and in general a high percentage of losing days, because most days right now are choppy and down, and we get this occasional rally that almost brings us back to equity peaks. And so it's still a challenging market environment, although up today and up 11.5, bringing us close to the equity peak. Since we introduced this portfolio, we were right here last Thursday. Friday morning I sent this. So we watched this live on Friday. Did not phase in on the drawdown. Came close on a 14K drawdown. We were waiting for a 15 to 17K drawdown. It hit 14, hit 11 there, hit 12 there. And so since we introduced this, it's up 1,400 coming into today, and after today it's up about 13K. It was tough to get in on last Friday's trade though. So realistically, we are up. It would have been up about $4,000 had we started trading this on Monday. So it was up 11,000 a day. So if you were able to get in on Friday, you would have been up, like I said, you would have been up about 13, but realistically, maybe only 4K if you got in on Monday. So we're still waiting for a drawdown, and we're still looking at this equity curve, still looking for ways to improve short trades in this portfolio setup. You see it had its drawdown here, had a run up almost to equity peaks here, pulled back, has run up now, and is about $1,200 away from equity peaks. And I would like to see it hit equity peaks. It'd be great to see it hit equity peaks and then pull back. And then for this drawdown curve, I like the shape to be pointed forward. And sometimes you see an equity curve that's pointed what I consider backwards, and so backwards pointing equity curve, and you definitely want to catch it in a drawdown. Like if it's doing this and it starts to degrade, you want to catch it at these points. but you'd like for it to firm up and to hit those equity peaks. And so I'd like to see this hit an equity peak and then pull back and then lean forward more. So it's one of the things we're looking for. It's a process. We got out of sync in July, and we are still working on getting back in sync with our portfolios. Also, the markets are different and more challenging. And so let's go over the trades on the day. So you see the momentum reversal. We already took a look at that one. Did a really good job on E-mini S&P. Went long, reversed to short, stopped out on the short side. Took the long trade on Cobra 3, stopped out. You see how unusual this day is as compared to other days. Markets, the range is just massive, you know. Basically trading on about the same amount on both sides of previous day's close. Just kind of a mean reversion trade. And glad to see a trend though. So looking for trends in both directions. Let's look at the NASDAQ. EVP1 minus 30 on the day. Tick Pulse had a good trade on the day, plus 3,600. Overlapping Q, minus 2,000. SR counter trend 2, minus 725. SR counter trend 2, minus 725. Tick pullback, plus 3,800. And then we had momentum reversal. It Cobra 3 plus 1375, and momentum reversal. Took the long trade, was up big time right here at these equity peaks. And then it just looked like the market was just going to go another 1,000 points. Once it got to this point, it looked like it was going to go parabolic. And then the move was pretty much over for the day. And then the rest of the day was a little bit choppy as it moved higher. Tried to go short here. Lost going short a couple of times on the give back, but still good on the day for plus 2675. So good trading today. Once again, all the profits are on the long side, even on a day where the market starts down. And even on a CPI day that starts like this, you get this constant reversal, mean reversion. Looking forward to Friday's trade. Friday's trades have been good. So still looking for a drawdown though, and could have a choppy Friday.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.